My name is Dylan Wiseman. I'm a web developer recently graduated from Devmountain. Prior to learning web development, I was on the marketing and sales teams at a couple different tech companies, but decided that instead of selling, I wanted to be involved in creating those products. Now, I'm also passionate about physical fitness and using data to track my progress towards my goals, so I decided to create an app that will help me to do that. This is Pound4Pound, a web app that will track your weight and personal weightlifting records and help you set goals for each exercise. So we'll start by creating a new user and filling out these fields in this form here. And when you hit this submit button, that will create a new user in the database and load that data into the Redux store, which is used throughout the app. And you'll then be signed in and brought to this homepage here. First, we'll look at the strength stats card on the left. Your current weight is displayed near the top, and underneath we have this simple form to update your weight on a specific day. Below that, we see personal records for bench press, squat, and deadlift, just 3 common exercises. And for these goals here, I'm using a simple formula that sets your goal for each exercise to the next nearest 10% increment of your body weight. So for example, if you can bench 1.17 times your body weight, then the goal will be set to 1.2 times your body weight, and so on. And these red bars here are just a visualization of that progress. Now, once you set a new record, you can click this new PR button, which reveals this small form component, and you can enter your new PR. And when you hit update, that will update the record in the database and in the Redux store. And you can see that change is reflected here in this number. The goal updates accordingly, and so does this red bar. Now you'll also notice this level number here at the top will update. And what this level is using another simple formula to calculate your strength per pound. So if your body weight decreases or personal record increases, then this weight will, or this strength level will change accordingly. On the right side, we have this body weight card, which will graph your weight by day. And right now you can see it's just displaying some helpful text, but if we put in a date and a weight, and if we add, say, one more, you can see it starts to graph our weight by day with the actual weight in red and the goal weight in blue. And what's going on here is this date and weight are getting added to an object, which is then put into an array, and then this component here sorts that array by date and uses that to graph our data. You'll also notice that your current weight updates to reflect the weight from the last object in that array, so the last date recorded. And then of course with current weight changing, our goals, these red progress bars, and this level number up here will also change. So getting all of those components to kind of react correctly to changes was one of the hardest parts of building this app. Now if we click Leaderboard, we'll be taken to the Leaderboard component, which is simply making a call to the database to get all the users and list them by their level. If we hit personal, we're taken back to this home page. If we hit log out, we will log out. We hit log in, logs us back in. And this is my page right here. And I created this app because it's something that I wanted to use, and I intend to add more features so we can track more exercises than just these 3 here. But in the meantime, please feel free to sign up and try it out. Thank you.